100 and not 100. And we still need to use and before the tens.
How to say big numbers.
How about
for example, 1,200 here, they say they're 1,200s. Okay, like 1,800s, that's 1,800.
What about this?
And they use and. So that's 18,906. However, it's okay to say it like 18,906, something like that.
700,050. What about this?
That's 615.
615,308.
Yep.
We need to say and before the tens of thousands.
Yeah, we have to say and. They use the word and before the 10,000 and then before 10,000. I mean the tens place. Okay. Ganun po. Kailangan nating aralin din siya. Although, hindi naman na tayo bago doon. But then, pagka nagkakaroon tayo ng na-encounter natin yung bagong mga, sometimes the way how the students in the US are using these numbers or saying these numbers, maring malito tayo or maring iba okay lang. But then, baka may iba pang term sila. No? Kasi, pag tinuruan ko sila ng term ng Pilipinas, sasabihin lang natin is 615,308. Plain as that. Or we say 1,200. But for them, they say it as like 1,200s, 1,800s, 2,000s, right? But here we don't say hundreds, but we say 1,200, 1,800, and we don't normally say the end there, okay? But we know that already. Pero mabuti nang mag-update lang, no? Sige, thank you. Bago tayo maligo. Kasi magkaklase tayo. Mag-English-Englishan muna tayo, tapos magmamath-mathan tayo. Ay, naku, kaloka.